a little follow-up here on feeling with the sense gates. Now, as you start to explore this, you'll find that through each of these gates, what you feel, through paying attention to what you feel, you'll be able to feel the response in the mental, astral, and vital bodies. And this will start to give you insight as to how the stimulus affects you. And as you develop your awareness capacity and your abilities to perceive more and more subtle substrates and forms of energy, you'll be able to experience this on more and more subtle levels. So you experience a type of sight, maybe it's a particular color, and you can start to feel how this color relates to the body, how you respond, how the mind responds, and how the mind responds, how the physiology responds, how the emotional capacity responds. And you can start to become choiceful in the colors that you use, whether that's the colors that you dress yourself with or paint your home with, or maybe it's colors that you choose to meditate on, as well as other things like shapes and sounds, etc. You'll hear a sound, a particular tone. Of course, there's the frequency and the note, but there's also the timbre and the tone and everything else involved in a sound. And something that you could meditate on, holding it in the mind gate, or the memory, I should say, of the ear gate. You can return to it. But you could also use that as maybe a tone that you have around your home. Maybe it's a bell that you ring when you walk in the door, if it's a positive correlation there. So through application of this sense of touch and feeling, you can really get a lot out of this, and you can start to, through just perception of how things affect you, you can then become a awake agent in terms of applying your own sense of enacting your reality so that you can affect yourself in the way that you choose. There's many modalities that use this type of thing. Now, instead of getting stuck on, say, what an essential oil is supposed to do, or what a color is supposed to do, or what a sound is supposed to do, you can actually feel and perceive through awareness of energy as it relates through the subtle sense gates, or subtle energy as it relates through the physical sense gates. You can become very choiceful in how you apply this. All right, hope this was helpful. If not, a little meandery. All right, thank you, bye. If you're interested in exploring these sense gate meditations more, you can find a number of them in quite extensive detail in the online training program, in the Qi Gong course on the website. So you can take a look there. There's also a gratitude address that runs through a type of sense gate connection as well in the Q&A reference library, aka the Zen Den. All right, see you there. Bye.